What's up, Wagwan, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Oh no, I say, yo, boy, it get hot in the place. Yeah, man, it's like everywhere you turn, pan the media, pan the news, social media, Jamaicans. Everywhere you turn, there is a news about Jamaican. For the past 4 to 5 months, every turn you turn, Jamaicans, and not only Jamaicans, but Jamaican influencers in the news. When I'm a pie and alive, when I'm about them boy there, cause you're not about them girl again, you know. When I'm about them boy, man all a call, man a threaten man for the brother. It a get from bad to worse, but me could stick to this part, yeah. Way back in the times, me realize social media, the media, influencer is a thing. When you check it out, some people in the high quality house, some people in the high quality ride, the beast, some a drive the beast and can't put gas in there. Some a drive the beast, and when you mash up, you need a tire, then can't buy the tire. But this I get from bad to worse. Them two, you know. My viewers and subscribers, Jamaicans are some of the smartest people on earth. Yes, and them bad mind too. Yes, man, them bad mind too. But this I get from bad to worse now. The doll the other day, shoplifting in a New Jersey. Now you have this year two couple here. Yeah, man. This year two couple here. Yeah, man. See them picture there? Yeah, man. You don't see them picture. And I bet you don't see it all over the place. But this is a sophisticated. Hey, listen me now. Good. You know what? Listen to the news first. Make the news tell you exactly what they do and what go on. Then we talk after.
Duo suspected of shoplifting, swiping $1 million in merchandise from Lululemon stores across the country. Jadion Richards and Aquili Laws Richards, both in their 40s, are from Connecticut, but their shoplifting ring hit at least 7 different Lululemon stores in Minnesota across the metro. This criminal complaint outlining the charges shows the last theft was at the Rosedale Center on November 13th. The next day, investigators connected the suspects to the stealing spree while they were at the Woodbury Lululemon where police arrested them. A search warrant led investigators to 12 suitcases inside a Bloomington hotel room with an estimated $50,000 worth of Lululemon clothing with the tag still attached. Investigators call it a sophisticated scheme to steal items from across the country, then return them in stores on the East Coast to receive the value on a credit or debit card. So, how did they do it? These charging documents allege the duo splits up. One person buys a few inexpensive items at the counter, while the other accomplice grabs items and stuffs them in their clothes. After the security sensors are taken off the legitimately purchased goods, they use a device to remove a sensor from one of the shoplifted items. Then they put that on one of the purchased items. The last step, the whole group walks out of the store. When the alarm goes off, the shoplifters keep walking while one of the suspects goes back to the counter. Then the store employee removes the security tag the thieves reattached. The company estimates the financial loss could be close to $1 million. The couple did not work alone. They had accomplices. Now the court date for those charged is in December. They could face up to 15 years in prison if convicted.
There we go. What a smart set of people, them. Smart set of people, them. And them in them 40s. Also, I know the first time them get catch. But this are the last time them will get catch. Because one thing them no say, the lady do not have any stay in this country. What a time for get catch. What a time for get catch. Tell you the truth. Any which part she there, right now, she must account every step backwards and hope she can reverse what happened. Because she illegal in the country. And you know what the new man say? The new man say all of them are go home. And when this case is done, and she go in at the place, because she can't get her from this. And when she go at the place, for how much she hear them want, them will go give her. When she come out, as straight to Jamaica she a go. Now my viewers and subscribers, listen to what me I say. It is nice to see these people in a nice things and want it. But if you don't have the money, why steal it? Why take it? And there's a possibility for you to get catch. And to all of the people out there who are shoplift, I want to know, say the shoplift business I get serious now, because the business them will lose millions of dollars each day from shoplifting because of people who want to go in there, go take out the people them expensive things just so weird to take picture for the media, and them will lose. So what them a do now? Them a get some better system, some better camera for catch you know. So no better stop. In my opinion, if you don't have the money to buy a $300 shoes, and you only can buy a $50 shoes, buy the $50 shoes or save your money to buy the $300 shoes. And as a matter of fact, why you want to wear a $300 shoes? The $300 shoes now do nothing where the $50 shoes now do. So why you think you want to wear a $50 shoes but you want to wear a $300 shoes and you don't have $300 money? You cannot buy the $300 shoes, but a hit you want to wear, and you have $50. So because you have 50 and you can't buy the $300, you go thief it. Then when you get catch, gonna jail, you gonna workhouse, you start to say people hobby you, people science you, people do everything to you when nobody not do nothing to you, and you do it to yourself. Thief. Yeah, man. But my viewers and subscribers, out of joke, out of nonsense, out of fun and joke, this thing I get really serious. You are influencer, you are make money. Purchase where you can purchase and grow. Because, alright, stick up in. One store. Yeah, one store. You know, if you do it, you know. But let's say you do one store. But you tell me, say, you are do so much store and you have a hotel where you go in, you get what you want, and you stack up the hotel room with the evidence. Lord Jesus. You have the evidence, same place which part you stay. So that means you plan out to go in but you don't plan on to get out. How you must have the evidence which part you are asleep? 50 bags. You have to sit down, you have to smart, you have to think a little bit more. You have to think more. Don't do it. Yeah, man, not do it, man. But as me say, I know the first time you do it, you don't do it already. I want to get catch a couple years ago. Get off easily on that one. Yeah, man, get off very easy on that one. But right now, me think we're in a serious problem right now. Yeah, more serious problem. And what happened is, as far as the police said, them still do more investigation and there can be more charge added to the charge we want to get, because them still go more places and check the cameras. If them find if them see one in any other store, them never wait for know if you no come out with nothing. Them go put a charge part on you. So you go have charge from Colorado right through. So you know what happened? Whole heap of charge that, you know. That is a lot of charge for the merchandise. My viewers and subscribers, we go put up some pictures of them looking sharp and looking rich and decent. But me not go too far into this. Me just bring this awareness, this news to you. Any more information me gather, I will have it for you. So to all my viewers and subscribers, peace and love. No say a word. I'm out. And remember to like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and subscribe. Remember, we have a little goal. December 31st, New Year's. Give me a New Year's present, man. 5,000 subscribers. Make us do it. No say a word. Peace.